Hey guys, another day, another harness from Project KNM Philippines. Shipping for the day, January 2, 2026. So meron tayo ditong dalawang metal buckle na half body. Embroidery logo. This is for Golden Retriever with pre-leash na yan. Yung mga leash natin ay snap hook. And then meron tayo ditong medium size for French Bulldog kay Copy. Yan, personalized din yung pangalan. And then may kasama na siyang collar. Adjustable din yan, may kasama ng leash, and then nagpagawa din siya ng jumper. Ito yung jumper natin for French Bulldog and any other medium breed. So yan yan, so maganda to guys. So yung pinaka jumper natin. So shipping for today yan ano. And then meron tayo ditong full body. This is for German Shepherd. Embroidery din yung pangalan yan. And then set B yan, ibig sabihin may kasama ng collar and harness with pre-leash. And then meron din tayo dito metal buckles na collar. And this is for Stormy. Shipping for today, January 2, 2026. Order lang para sa mga alaga nating aso. God bless.